Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, today the 13th of October 2021, inaugurated the Apollo Tele Health Center under Smart Village Movement in collaboration with Apollo Hospital at Rongjeng, East Garo Hills District. The Tele Health Center will provide access for online consultations with doctors of Apollo hospitals. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said 5 such Tele Health Centers will be opened across the state.
And our officials from any chairman from the medical department, and of course your team also is here, and a large crowd outside is also there. So they are all very excited, and we are all excited about this project. And I have always been a very strong. I'm very happy that we are partnering with a very prominent and very capable partner like Apollo. And I'm sure that people will really benefit from what is going to happen out here. I really wish you and the team the very best. We expect a lot, and so let me just tell you, my expectations are very high. And then we are going to obviously go ahead and do another 2 more locations. 4 more locations, and that would be the beginning. And if things go well, then we are obviously looking at expanding this, and in a place like ours, which is the rural connectivity is sometimes very weak, and the facilities are not available. I'm sure that a center like this would do great benefit to the common man, and that's really what we want. So I really wish you and your team the very best. I thank you for all the initiatives that is taken, and obviously I apologize for the delay. It's been a long day for me. I have to again go ahead, and I've got another 3-4 programs in my own constituency after this. But thank you so much, and I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for this opportunity. We want to ensure wellness is given to every single person in the district, sir. And thank you for giving us this opportunity, Honorable CM, sir, and Minister. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Service rangko, technology ko sakali, health service ujamay na, education ujamay na, ba dengtang kam rangko or service rangko, technology basis so anjing maydaki public na sukat na matgen, yan smart village ni muksungani. Undi man da alo Apollo baksa, Apollo hospital ko na isimang sakkanchin uya, na men Singapore hospital nga, Chennai, Delhi, aro India ni dengtang biap rango, Apollo hospital na men talo sana banani ko public na sagaparang na utninga unigaman bisuni treatment aro bisuni doktorang belongin nama talo ya Apollo clinic ni true Chennai o asung ba doktorang Delhi o asung ba doktorang Hyderabad o asung ba doktorang baksa Rongjeng area ni mandirang East Garo Hills ni North Garo Hills ni mandirang consultancy kanamat gen talo na isimang Hyderabad chile na nang Jawa, Delhi chile na nang Jawa, Chennai chile na nang Jawa. Basic treatment na, ba basic consultancy na, yano sungin, camera ni true, na simang Chennai ni dal gepa doktor baksa, golpo grek na matgen.